Hi, I'm Matt Williams, and this is my hack, TNID OpenID Connect voting app for TADHack Global 2024. So the problem I'm trying to solve is ballot stuffing in email address-based online polls. Obviously, it's easy to create additional email addresses, so it's easy to have multiple votes. The solution TNID offers is to identify you by your telephone number, and the innovation is that we're integrating via the standard OpenID Connect flow. So what's OpenID Connect? Well, it's a standard for identity, authentication, and authorization. That means you don't need to integrate specifically against TNID. Many sites already support OpenID Connect, and there are lots of open source and cloud provider-based solutions for integrating with it. When you authenticate against OpenID Connect, you expose your user profile containing claims, and these include your telephone number and whether it's been verified, where in TNID's case it has. When you authenticate against OpenID Connect, you permit a grant to the requesting application, which in this case is the voting app. This is a bit like TNID's connections, and that's how I've modeled them. So here's the architecture. The browser connects to the poll server to view the poll and to vote. The poll server redirects to the TNID-backed OpenID Connect identity provider, which requests a connection within TNID and waits polling for it to be approved. It then takes this as authentication and redirects back to the poll server, which can retrieve the user's telephone number to check that it's unique. Having said that, for speed in this hackathon, I've actually deployed the poll server and the identity provider on the same server and slightly simplified some of the OpenID Connect flows. So let's see a demo. Okay, so here's the TNID account of the user who wants to vote. We can look at their profile and see their telephone number, which we'll use in just a moment. And we can also look at their company connections and see that there aren't any yet. So let's go to the polling app. My favorite color is blue, so let's choose that and hit submit. I'm prompted to confirm that TNID voting app can access my profile, and also because I haven't yet logged in, to prompt for my telephone number. So let's provide that, 201-555-1235, and let's hit submit. Now at this point I get an email prompting me to connect to the polling app. I accept the invitation to join the TNID voting app. Great. And switching back to the polling app, I see that my vote has been counted. In conclusion, the mainline flow is working, although there are a few hacks. Natively supporting OpenID Connect in TNID would give a much better user experience, and this does greatly reduce the cost of integrating with TNID for this use case. Thank you.